Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a secure boot update that is special to make on some machines, and I got a couple of questions on that, and I actually went through that also. And you know, June is here, so this means that this month is when the old certificates for secure boot will be expired, and you should have had or should have this month at the latest the secure boot updates through Windows Update, which is called the key exchange update. Now, there's one thing that can happen, and it had happened on my ACER Gaming laptop. On all my other computers, the certificates have updated on their own with just Windows Update that exchange the key. But on some of the machines, and my ACER Gaming laptop as is one of them, you will see that when you look at the device security, the secure boot has a different color check mark. And it's going to say that this device cannot get the secure boot updates through Windows Update, and that you have to go to your manufacturer to have a BIOS, UEFI BIOS update. So what happens in these cases is you have to understand and know how to do it. If you don't really know, you're not sure, you ask maybe somebody that you know is good with computers, understands this. It really means, and that's what I had to do, is I went to Acer website. I went to support on my gaming laptop. You have all the informations on the model that you have of your computer on a sticker, either on, if it's a desktop, it's a sticker on the side or on the back of the computer. If it's a laptop, a sticker underneath the computer. But you have all the information of what model you have. Then you reach that model, you will have, of course, a support page that has downloads. And one of the downloads in there will be a download for the UEFI BIOS that is for your PC. That's how you will have to update the secure boot certificates, because they are at a level that Windows updates cannot do anything. Only a BIOS update will fix that. So it does happen. Some of you might be in there, and that's the category. I didn't mind. Updated the BIOS. I know it's always a stressful situation for a lot of people to, flash that new BIOS and all. But that's the only way for some machines to actually be updated. And for those that still don't have the new secure boot certificates, well, keys should arrive this month. Pretty sure, unless your computer is really old. But for most PCs, even on Windows 10, secure boot keys should arrive this month. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.